Hello student, good afternoon all of you. I hope you all are fine. I am Khare as a science teacher of class 7th. So dear student, today start a new chapter 8, chapter name Winds, Storm and Cyclone. Winds, Storms and Cyclone. So dear student, today start for chapter 8. So dear student, for the introduction for the natural disasters, it means Hindi word is प्राकृतिक आपदाएं. So we start below on the earth, which is the surrounded by air. The layer of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Can you understand for the atmosphere? So the students, atmosphere it means we live on the earth, which is the surrounded by air. The layer of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. The moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind and wind. So it is the found by the heat of it is the formed by the heat of the sun, or it may be said that the unical the heating of different part of the earth formed wind. The moving air is called the wind. It is the formed by the heat of the sun, or it may be said that unequals the heating of different part of the earth formed wind. Air Air excrete the pressure. Air excrete pressure, the continuous physical force excreted on an object or the against and the object when something comes in contact with it. It is called pressure. Can you understand for the pressure? So pressure is means the continuous physical force excreted on an object or against and the object. So when the something comes in the contact with it's called pressure. Air excrete pressure in the different ways the under different situation and on all object and in all direction. The students here X create pressure in different ways under the different situation and on all object and in all direction. Air pressure help the leaves of tree, banners of the banners or flag, or further the when the wind is blowing, it cases the try the balloon to inflate. So air pressure help the leaves of the tree, banners or flag to flutter when the wind the blowing the cases the trees and the balloons to inflate. Importance of air pressure. Importance of air pressure. So the importance of air pressure can be discussed and follow us. So first one is, if the create the wind, the difference in atmospheric pressure give rise to the wind on the earth. The importance of air pressure can be discussed and follow us. So first one is the create the wind, the difference in atmospheric pressure give rise to the wind on the earth. Second one, in it influences the weather air movements. So down example for the downward or the upward movement of air case due to the difference in the pressure create the cloudy and the clear sky bring rain or fine weather. It influences the weather air movement. So example of downward or upward movement of air case due to the difference in pressure create the cloudy and the clear sky, bring the rain or find the weather. Weather for weather forecasting. So the change in the air pressure give the important clauses for the weather forecasting. So the air pressure is the measured by and the instrument is called barometer. Barometer. So the measurements in the air the air pressure is the measured by the instrument is called barometer. So weather forecasting the change in the air pressure give the important clause for the weather forecasting. The air pressure in the measured by an instrument is called barometer. Instrument is called as barometer. So similarly, when we ride a bicycle against the direction on the wind, boat against wind direction, or flying or kite against the direction of the wind, we can feel the air pressure. Similarly, when we ride the bicycle against the direction of the wind, maybe mostly summer season in up, opposite side of the pressure or the riding the bicycle, and opposite side is air is very air flowing is very fast, so we the against the air pressure. So direction of the wind, boat against wind direction, of flying or kite against the direction of the wind, we can feel the air pressure. When we pump air or fill air into the bicycle tube, the air molecules inside the tube collide with the wall of the tube and excrete air pressure. Excrete air pressure. The air pressure excreted from inside inflates the bicycle tube. The pressure excreted by air filled in the bicycle tube keep the tube tight and make the bicycle tire feel hard. Feel hard. The pressure of excrete by air filled in a bicycle tube keep the tube tight and make the bicycle tire feel hard. If we continuously fill more and more air into the bicycle tube, the air pressure in the bicycle tube will increase too much that tube may get burst. But these observations also show the air excrete pressure. So, dear students, if we continuously fill the more and more air into the bicycle tube, more and more and into the bicycle tube, so the air pressure in the bicycle tube will increase. Tube will increase too much that tube may be get the burst. These observation also show that air excrete pressure. These observation also show that air excretes pressure. High speed winds. High speed winds are the accompanied by the reduced air pressure. Air move from the region of higher pressure to the lower pressure. The greater the difference in pressure, the faster the air move. It is due to the heat of the sun, from which air becomes warm, producing a low pressure. Students, the air move from the region of higher pressure to the lower pressure. Higher pressure to the lower pressure. The greater the difference in pressure, the faster the move. Faster, faster the air move. It is the due to the heat of the sun, from which it becomes the warm, producing a low pressure. So the warm air is rise up to the cool air from the surrounding moves toward the sea. Toward the sea, the fast movement air blowing over and the object help in the lifting the object up by the producing and the region of low pressure. Producing of low pressure above it. So this can be so by the following activity. If this the activity, air pressure in the case due to the constant remind by moving air molecules on the surface of the paper strip. So we have the learn that when the high speed air is blown over a strip of the paper, it is the lifted up. The similarly, if the high wind blows over the roof of house, so it will reduce the air pressure above the roof, and if the roof of house are big, then higher air pressure from below will be lift up the roof, which can then be blow away by the fast wind. So therefore the big roof of the house can be lifted and blown the away by the high speed wind, that is the called a storm. The meaning of storm. So storm, therefore the big roof of the house can be lifted and blow away by the high speed wind, that is called a storm. Air expanded or heating. Air expands on heating. Gases or air expand more than solid liquid on heating. Air is the mixture of gases. Gases or air expand more than solid and liquid on heating. Air is mixture of gases on heating. The molecules of air gain the kinetic energy. Molecules of air gain the kinetic energy. It moves away from the each other, thus the occupying the more space. In the more space, therefore the air becomes the lighter. Warm air rise up, whereas compressively cool air tends to sink toward the earth's surface. The term expansions of the air means the increase in the volume of air. Increase the volume of air. When the air is the heated, its volume increase and occupy a bigger space. Occupy a bigger space. When the air is heated, it's become the lighter than the rise up in the sky. When the air is heated, it become the lighter and rise up in the sky. When the air is heated, it's become the lighter than rise up in the sky. So this is the reason that when we burn woods, the smoke rise along with the hot air near the places of fire. This is the reason that when we burn wood, the smoke rise along with the hot air near the place of fire. Wind currents. Wind current, the wind is the movement of air which depend on the difference in air pressure into region. The wind is the movement of air which depend on the difference in air pressure into regions. Air moves from the region of high pressure to the region of low pressure in the atmosphere. This difference in air pressure is created by uneven heating or unequal heating on the earth. Uneven heating or unequal heating on the earth. So this is the difference in air pressure is created by the uneven heating or unequal heating on the earth. The region where the air rise and the area of low pressure is created, while the region where the air sink and area of high pressure is created. The region where the air rise and the area of low pressure is created, while the region where the air sinks and the area of high pressure is created. Look at this picture, the wind current. So starting for the uneven high of the each producer, the warm air is cool and sinks, and cooler in air moving in. The uneven heating of produce the wind current, so warm air rise. So upward side of the warm air rise, and warm air is the cool and sink, and downward of the cooler air for the move. So continue this the cycle of running for the uneven heating on earth produce the wind current. The uneven heating on the earth take place into two situation. An uneven heating on the earth take place in the two situation. First one, uneven heating between the equator and the poles. Uneven heating the equator and poles. The region of the earth which is the close to the equator of the earth gets the maximum heat from the sun. So therefore the air is the region gets warm and rise, creating an area or low air pressure. The cooler of from the region up to the 30-degree latitudes belt on the either the side of the equator move on rushes toward the equator and replace the warm rising air. This make the wind to blow from the north and southern direction. This make the wind is blow from the north and south direction toward the equator. At the pole, the air is the colder than at the altitude about the 60 degree. About the 60 degree. Therefore, the warmer air move the upward and colder air rushes. In this, make the winds blow from the pole of the earth toward the warmer region up to about the 60 degree latitudes. At the poles, the air is colder than at the latitude about the 60 degree. Therefore, the warmer air moves the upward and the colder air rushes. In this, make the wind the blow from the poles of the earth toward the warmer region up to the about the 60 degree latitude. Uneven heating of land and water. Uneven heating of land and water. So first one is during the summer season, the earth near the equator warm faster than the water in the ocean. The air above the land gets the warmer and the rises up in the sky, creating a low pressure area. Creating a low pressure area. So therefore, the wind from the flow from the oceans toward the land. So dear student, the air above the land get the warmer and the rise up in the sky, creating a low pressure area. So therefore, the winds the flow from the oceans toward the land. These winds carry a lot of moisture. Within is the bring the rain. It is the part of the water cycle. These bring the winds are called the monsoon winds. These rain bring the winds are called monsoon winds. So these the winds carry a lot of moisture with them and the bring the rain. It is a part of the water cycle. These rain bearing the winds are called monsoon. Second one, during the winter, the direction of the wind get the reversed. The winds blow from the land to the sea due to the difference in air temperature between the land and sea. Difference the temperature between the land and sea. This happens so because during winter the land cools down faster than the water in the ocean, and the temperature of water in the ocean is higher than that of the land. These the happen so because during the winter. During the winter, the land cools down faster than the water in the ocean, and the temperature of water in the ocean is higher than that of land. The warm air over the ocean rise up, the creating a region of low pressure, and cooler air from the land rushes toward the ocean. Thus, the air flow from land to ocean carrying only a little water vapor, hence bring only a small amount of rain in the winter season. The warm air over the ocean rise up, the creating a region of low pressure, and cooler air from the land rushes toward the ocean. Thus, the air flow from the land to ocean carrying only a little water vapor, hence bring only a small amount of rain in winter season. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm, when air moves gently the low speed, it is called as the breeze, while when it the move the violently the high speed, it is the called a storm. So when the pressure of air drop in the indicated the possibility of a storm. The swift movement of the falling water along with the rising warm air producing sound, lightning, heavy rain, and strong wind is called the thunderstorm. Yes, student, the swift movement of the falling the water along with the rising warm air producing the sound, lightning, heavy rain, and a strong wind is called a thunderstorm. It is developed in hot and humid tropical areas like India and is occupied by the heavy rain or hail. The thunderstorms are produced by the dark clouds which form at the freely low altitude in the atmosphere. In the tropical area, the air gets the warm up and make it is to rise where area the humidity provide the water vapor for the formation of cloud. For the water vapor for the formation of cloud. So thunderstorms are the produced by the dark clouds which form at the freely the low altitude in atmosphere. In the tropical area, the area gets the warmed up and the dark into the rise where the humidity provide the water vapor for the formation of cloud. Therefore, it can be said the occur the thunderstorm. It require moisture rapidly rising the warm air and sea breeze or the mountain. Sea breeze and mountain. So therefore, it the can be the site that the occur and a thunderstorm is the required moisturize the rapidly rising warm air and sea breeze or mountain. So dear student, today's 2 and 3 topic is complete, and some topic is the next class is complete. So I send you the some extra question. So complete your work and send me. Thank you.